Hello. Wow, look at this. This actually happened. I didn't just buy this on eBay, okay? I am now a Microsoft MVP. Thank you very much, which means we have fixed the bug in MVP Love. If we search for my name at mvplove.com, I actually show up and you can click through to the official profile. I actually have a page on mvp.microsoft.com. Thank you, everybody, so much for this. Genuinely an honor. Thank you. So to celebrate, we are going to add an MCP server to this MVP app that is written in MVC and make the MCP server work through the brand spanking new GitHub Copilot desktop app. So we can query information directly from mvplove.com via the MCP. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is do .NET add package, model context protocol, ASP.NET Core, and see what it adds to our project. And over here on our app, let's head to our startup in Program.cs. This is where everything is all wired up. We're going to do builder.services.add MCP server with HTTP transport, which means we can do this over HTTP. It doesn't have to run on your local machine. What we need to do is create a tool for the MCP server to use. We already have a tool here, which we're using for our LLM Copilot, MVP Copilot built into mvplove.com. So we need to make another class. Let's call this MCP Tools, CS. Here's what I made earlier. We have an MVP MCP tool. Very good. MCP server tool with a description that'll get passed through to the LLM. And what we want to do is move all of this nice logic here over to the MCP tool. So if we take our parameters, stick them over here, and let's grab our business logic from here, so on, into MCP tools version of this tool. Everything's a tool these days, including me. Yeah, and we can add our MVP data service here, obviously before the optional parameters in there. Very good. And because the MCP tool doesn't serialize for you, we need to return JSON serializer. So .serialize. We'll call this the results. Yeah. Very good. Then over here on our Program.cs, we want to include the tool. So we want to do with tools. What do we call it? MVP MCP tool, like so. And then at the bottom of Program.cs, we want to do app.map MCP, like so. And we'll do this under the path MCP. What you can see now is if you request localhost MCP here, you get some weird error message because you're not using an MCP client. But we'll fix that. All right, we've pushed those changes and we can see that our GitHub action is building. Let's check that in a sec. Still building. Look at this. It's getting all those MVPs for mvplove.com. All right, we've deployed. So let's open up GitHub Copilot app. We can go to settings, MCP servers, add server, add custom server. Call this MVP Love. HTTP and go HTTPS www.mvplove.com/MCP, like this. Add server, make sure it's got a little green tick here or it's not going to work. Yeah, close that, head over here. Ask me anything. Use the MVP Love MCP server tool to get me info about the MVP called Ed Anderson. Go. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. Is this going to work? Is it going to work? Come on. Oh, look at that. He's using it. Searching MVP data. Oh, look at this. It's got all my stuff straight into the GitHub Copilot app. Software engineering leader and .NET lover. Don't blame me. That's the AI. So thank you for that. Genuinely, I'm very, very proud of this. It's been a long time coming. Probably spent about 10 years on and off trying to get it. Thank you very much. I'm honoured. And it wouldn't have happened without all of you guys watching and subscribing and liking my videos and everything else. So thank you very much. To more coding content in the future, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.